Hey guys, I'm Mari. I'm going to be showing you my step-by-step skincare routine today and show you how to do it. So here we go. Okay, so you're going to start off by putting your hair up. I put mine in a bun rather than a ponytail just because I don't like when my ponytail gets in my face and gets wet while I'm washing my face. Then I put on my headband to keep my hair out of my face. And then I get my cleanser and my face scrubber and get the soap on there, wet my face before, and then I apply the cleanser and start scrubbing. So I just do this, it gets rid of a lot of the dead skin, and you gotta cleanse your face and keep it nice and clean before you start applying everything. Then you wash off the cleanser, get all that off of there, and then you're gonna dry your face and get your toner. And I put that on a cotton pad and then put that throughout your whole face to tone. And then you're gonna get your serum and apply that. I use 2 different serums just because I feel like they're both really moisturizing and nourishing. So this is my first serum, and I'll put all the products in the description. And then this is my second serum. This one is a lot cheaper. It's from TJ Maxx, but they're both really good. I really like both of these serums. And you're just gonna put that throughout your face. And then you're gonna get your jade roller. This isn't a real jade roller, it's from the dollar store, but it works the same, and it was $1, so there you go. And then you're gonna get your lip scrubber. I have this little thing just to scrub your lips better with. And then you're gonna start scrubbing your lips. This is really good for chapped lips when it's cold out. It really moisturizes your lips too, as well as exfoliating. So finish that and then wash off the lip scrub, dry it off, and your lips are nice and smooth. And moisturize your face to get all the products, just to top off all the products, and really make sure your skin is moisturized. And then lastly, you're gonna get your lip balm. I use Aquaphor just because it's really thick and nice. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.